I analyzed over 150 faceless YouTube channels across a wide range of niches to uncover the secrets behind why some channels grow rapidly while others struggle to gain traction. Through this extensive research, I pinpointed a set of strategies that the most successful faceless creators consistently follow. But what exactly are these strategies? And how do they enable creators to break through the competition and capture millions of views? Today, I'll share the 4 foundational principles that drive faceless channel success. Make sure to stick around until the end, as I'll also show you how to harness AI tools to streamline the process of creating high-quality faceless videos, saving you time and effort while maximizing impact. Let's begin with the cornerstone of any YouTube channel, content strategy. This step is often underestimated but holds the key to growth. You could produce the most visually appealing video about a niche topic, but without a clear audience demand, it's unlikely to gain traction. During my analysis, I found that struggling faceless channels tend to make a common mistake. They focus on personal interests instead of targeting what viewers are actively searching for. The solution: base your content on proven audience demand. Successful faceless channels identify trending topics that resonate with a wide audience. The fastest way to do this is by studying what's already working. If you're starting out, chances are you want to create a channel that's both impactful and profitable. To achieve this, focus on content that appeals to an established audience while also driving results. Here's how you can start. Research thriving channels in your niche. Identify videos from these channels that significantly outperform their average view count. For instance, look for videos that gain 2 to 3 times the views compared to the channel's subscriber base. That's exactly how we approached videos like How I Created 1,000 YouTube Shorts in 2024, and the outcome was phenomenal. Once you have a list of potential topics, filter them using 3 essential criteria. First, search for content gaps, topics where valuable insights are either missing or underexplored. Second, assess whether the topic is evergreen or trending. Trending topics can generate quick views, but may not sustain long-term growth, while evergreen content provides lasting value. For beginners with limited time to create videos, evergreen topics are especially effective. Third, evaluate the production process. Early on, consistency matters more than perfection. The algorithm favors regular uploads, so it's essential to choose topics and formats you can produce efficiently. By following these steps, you'll lay a strong foundation for your faceless channel. And with the help of AI tools, you can streamline scripting, editing, and even voiceovers to make content creation smoother and faster. Ready to take your channel to the next level? Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the next steps. But before that, join me on this journey of mastering YouTube automation. Your support by subscribing means the world and keeps me inspired to share everything I've learned. Together, we can unlock endless opportunities on YouTube. Step 2. Designing thumbnails and titles. The second crucial step is creating thumbnails and titles that grab attention. Even the best videos won't perform if no one clicks on them. Many beginners focus on scripting and editing, leaving thumbnails and titles as an afterthought. Successful faceless channels, however, prioritize this. Their thumbnails are eye-catching, even without a face, and communicate the video's idea clearly. If you're comfortable, using your face can boost engagement, something we tested on the R channel with great results. If not, focus on impactful designs that stand out. Quick tips. 1. Analyze, study successful channels' thumbnails for design inspiration. 2. Focus, grab attention instantly with bold visuals and clear messaging. Your title should make an impact in the first 50 characters, sparking curiosity or FOMO. Let the thumbnail and title work together. Use tools like Canva or Photoshop to create professional designs, or leverage AI-powered tools like InVideo's Thumbnail Maker for added creativity. With these elements ready, you're set to move on to Step 3, the magic step. Step 3, crafting the perfect script. The third step, where the magic truly lies, is scriptwriting, the backbone of retaining your audience. While your thumbnail and title get the clicks, it's your script that keeps viewers engaged. Most beginner creators struggle with viewer retention, especially in the first 30 seconds. To counter this, start strong with thumbnail alignment. Ensure the video opens by delivering exactly what the thumbnail and title promised. Script structure. 1. The hook. Start with a compelling hook to grab attention. Popular hooks include question hook. Wonder why your videos aren't getting views? Context hook. Here's how I got 40K views in 30 days on a new channel. Bold statement hook. This one trick will skyrocket your views. 2. Value-packed points. Break down your content into concise, bite-sized points. Place the most critical information towards the end of each point to maintain curiosity. 3. Exceed expectations. Deliver more than promised in the intro. Surprise your audience with insights they didn't expect. For smoother scripting, start with AI-generated outlines and refine them to suit your message. This way, your script stays sharp, engaging, and perfectly tailored to hold viewers till the end. Step 4. Building a dependable system. The final step is consistency, the backbone of any successful faceless channel. Many creators struggle to post regularly or maintain quality, but a dependable system can solve this. With AI tools, you can streamline scripting, editing, and thumbnails, saving time and ensuring every video is top-notch. By staying consistent and leveraging these tools, you'll set yourself apart from the competition. Ready to take your channel to the next level? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to learn more tips to grow your faceless YouTube channel. Now, let's dive into how you can use AI to build this system. Tools like InVideo AI allow you to generate high-quality videos quickly and efficiently. All you need to do is input your title, and the platform takes care of the rest. Start by clicking the link in the description to access InVideo. Once there, select a suitable template, such as explainer video, and begin the process. On the setup screen, enter your video title and additional details about the content you want to create. Customize the voiceover by choosing between male and female voices, and refine the tone with specific voice characteristics. You can also add subtitles by entering your desired text and selecting the background music that aligns with your theme. After finalizing these details, click Generate. The AI will analyze your input, create an SEO-optimized title, and draft a script tailored to your content. Next, you'll select settings like video style, format, and duration. Even if you're on the free version, you can utilize the available assets to proceed. Within minutes, your video will be generated and ready to review.
Buckle up, foodie. Back to new. We're about to embark on a delicious journey through America's tastiest street foods. First stop, New York City. You can't visit the Big Apple without grabbing a hot dog from a street cart. These aren't just any hot dogs.
If you need adjustments, InVideo's intuitive editor makes it easy to replace media, update background music, or refine the script. Click Edit, make your changes, and save the updated video. Once you're happy with the result, download your final creation. With just a few inputs, you'll have a high-quality, professional video ready to upload to your channel. Consistency and efficiency go hand in hand. By combining a dependable system with AI-powered tools, you'll streamline your content creation process and position your channel for long-term success. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tips on growing your YouTube channel effortlessly.